One of the underrated supplements etong malunggay or moringa capsule. Eto siya. Pero alam nyo ba, etong moringa or malunggay capsule ay tinatawag siyang miracle tree. Why? Kasi maraming health benefits ang nagagawa nito sa katawan natin. Bukod sa nagbubusyo ng immune system natin, moringa also provides antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties na tumutulong sa blood sugar natin and cholesterol levels. It also reduced inflammation and even enhancing yung skin health natin. Moringa is also packed with vitamins and minerals including vitamin A, C, and E, as well as iron, calcium, and potassium. O di ba ang dami? At dahil leafy veg lang to, this is generally safe na i-take, lalo na paggawa ng Belvine. Kasi FDA approved na din siya. Kaya kung gusto nyo ma-experience yung health benefits ng Moringa capsule, ilalagay ko yung link sa yellow basket so you can check it out.